too.
Alright, I'll show you how to take apart a Mosin Nagant. This was made in 1954. Pull the bolt up, slightly pull the trigger, the bolt will come right out. Show you how to take that apart in a minute. Flip the bayonet forward. You got to slide this ring off and this ring off by matching the release in front of it. So I'll go ahead and do that. I think I can do this one with my hand. Use a screwdriver for this one. Be careful not to scratch the wood when you do this. This comes off right here. Top comes off right there. Once you get those two rings off, you have a screw here, right here, and one right here. Go ahead and take those out. I take this one out last so the action doesn't fall out of the stock. Now it should. Come right out. And look at the cosmoline on that. You see all that grease and nastiness right there? So all that's going to have to be cleaned up. Alright, then this just pulls right out. Right here. Cosmoline all over that too. And then the cleaning rod just threads out like that. And that's your bare stock. Alright, the way you take the bolt apart is, this is the state it'll be in when you pull it out. What you have to do is hold the bolt handle and pull this backward and rotate it counterclockwise like that. And this piece right here will slide right off. You turn this piece like that and they come apart. At this point the only thing left is the firing pin, which is under spring pressure. Basically I think there's a tool that goes right here that catches on this and you can turn the firing pin out. But I think it's easier just to take a screwdriver and turn this pin. You have to do it what seems in reverse, basically tighten it, which is going to let it come out this end. And I do it at the counter, so when it pops out it won't shoot away. Like that. This slides right off once you get that loose. Firing pin comes out. You can see it's pretty greasy. We're going to need to clean that up. And there's your spring. And that's tore out. Okay, Nick. Alright, I got the firing pin back in there. It's under spring pressure. You want to back the firing pin up as you're putting it in to make this flush and make those two lines line up right there. That's going to set how deep your firing pin goes into your primer. So you want to start out with this 90 degrees to the bolt handle. Assemble these two pieces together. Turn it until that's flush. Slide it onto this piece, like so. Like that. Then rotate this up so it goes in there, like that. Hold this bolt handle. Turn it 90 degrees. And that should be ready to go back in the gun right there. So we'll put that to the side. Start dropping this back together. I'm going to put it together dirty. Clean it later. Put that in there. Go ahead and put this long bolt in first. Wait a second. Actually, let's drop this in there to thread it to. Like that. Put the other bolt in there. Drop your top handguard on there. Get these mixed up. So you can't, if you put that upside down, it won't slide easy, as I just found out. It goes with the separation cut to the bottom. That. That. Alright, we'll go ahead and put this in here. You're going to have to slightly pull the trigger to let it get past it. Looks like it's all working. There you have it.